At ngayon, Dayan, makakasama.
Oo.
May kasama tayo, special
May kasama tayo
bisita.
dahil alam naman natin kung gaano ka-importante at sinasabi nga nilang ang pamilya ang isa sa pinaka-importanteng unit ng lipunan. At dito nga, Sandro, di ba noon nakapag-usap tayo tungkol sa Anti-Bullying Act, connect-connecta yan. So,
Yes.
ngayong umaga, para pag-usapan natin na hindi hadlang ang masamang panahon para i-celebrate po ang Filipino Family Week, makakasama natin ating very special guest this morning, si Ms. Lizelle po ng National Committee of Filipino Family Week. Good morning.
Magandang umaga, Ms. Lizelle.
Good morning, Diane and Sandro.
Yes, ma'am, siguro maganda pong pag-usapan muna natin itong Filipino Family Week. How long has this been in existence, kumbaga? Ano po ba yung background natin about this event?
Yes, this was signed by former President Fidel V. Ramos last September 28, 1992. So, dito niya recognize the sanctity of a family life.
Family life. Bakit po, ano po nga nagsilbing sigurong inspirasyon kung bakit nila ito itinatag? Gaano po ito kahalaga?
Siguro, it was just na hindi masyadong nare-recognize yung family relationship. And now, with the help of the SWD, which is ang NCFF is the umbrella of the SWD, we are intensifying the awareness of family relationship.
So, 1992 po pala ito. So, hindi siya masyadong ganong kakilala, Sandro. So, nasabi nyo, in-intensify nyo yung awareness
Yes.
nito. Paano nyo po ito ginagawa?
Yes, we have, this is the 21st National Family Week, and we have different activities from September 20 to 27.
And what are the activities po
Yes,
that
we
we're
have
talking about that will
the
involve?
tree planting sa Taguig, because ang Taguig ang nag-host the Taguig government. And this year, it's Taguig government. And after the tree planting, we have the kick-off program.
Okay.
The parade and everything with the help of Mayor Lani Cayetano. And of course, yesterday we have the family conference. This is the second family conference headed by different agencies like the Solo Parents Confederation, the Natay and Nain, and of course the Commission on Welfare of Children, the Kaisang Buhay Foundation, and of course the Church of Latter-day Saints.
So, this is a week-long celebration.
Yes.
So, what is the theme po nung yung sineselebrate po natin ng National Family Week?
Yes, it's unity across generation, a strong family, a strong society.
Ma'am, maybe it's nice po na may kwento natin sa ating mga mamamayan kung gaano nga po kaimportante ang pagsasama-sama ng pamilya. Kasi ngayon po, alam naman po natin na marami sa ating mga kababayan na napaka-busy na they don't really make enough time to spend with their families.
Even the kids mismo,
Exactly.
Sandro, pag uwi nila from
Computer.
school, computer, nagkaharap nila,
agad.
imbes na meron
And then,
silang communication sa parents nila.
And we have different schedules, di ba? So, minsan yung mga bata, ibang schedule. So, dadating yung mami, maunang kumain, or if not, the
Hindi
children
na
na
nagsasabay-sabay.
So, that's why President Benigno Aquino proclaimed that every fourth Monday of September will be the Kainang Pamilya Mahalaga. So we are encouraging everyone that every fourth of Monday, at least to go home early at magkakainan sila.
I believe you are also connected with Lucky Me. Ito po yung isa sa mga
Yes,
campaign na
they are the
ginagawa
one
po ninyo.
encouraging also.
Yung Family Week.
Yes.
So, importante
They are
talaga
with
Sandro.
us, also with Jollibee.
With Jollibee as
Yeah.
well. So, importante, Sandro, na talagang makita natin yung pagbabond ng pamilya. Kasi dito na ilalabas mo yung, siguro yung naging experience mo nung araw na yun. You get to talk, siguro lalo na yung parents sa mga students. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa Anti-Bullying Act, di ba?
Yun nga,
Pumapasok
parang
dyan.
naikikwento ng mga bata kung kamusta sila. At syempre yung mga parents, updated sila kung ano yung kalagayan ng kanilang mga anak. At natututukan nila kung ano man yung mga kailangan na improve sa buhay ng kanilang mga anak at matutulungan nga nila.
At yung sinabi mo na rin na maa-actionan din kung ano man yung problema na pinagdadaanan ng mga anak. So ano naman po nga actually pinaka-main objective po nitong celebration po ninyo?
We would like to intensify the awareness of a family relationship. And of course, I would like to thank Asek Romo, he's the one heading the NCFF. Which is
so-
under the umbrella of the SWD.
Yes, nabanggit niyo, since nabanggit niyo yung DSWD, what are the other agencies naman po that are with you, helping you to promote this
Yes,
family
we
week?
have the Church of Latter-day Saints. Yes, and of course that is headed by Miss Heidi Fajardo. And we have the Kaisang Buhay Foundation, the Solo Parents Confederation, Natay and Nain. And we have also the Commission of Welfare of Children. We have also the Senior Citizen Representatives.
So halos sa
Iba-ibang
Actually, halos patapos na po ang week-long
Yes.
celebration po ninyo. Maaari niyo po kami siguro kwentuhan ng mga nangyari para na rin sa kaalaman ng ating mga viewers.
Yes, on Friday, there will be a search for Huwarang Pamilya. The awarding will be at Taguig again, kasi sila ang nag-host. So right now, we are again encouraging everyone to love your family.
Yes.
Yes. Iiwanan ka ng mga kaibigan mo, pero
Pero
not
ang pamilya mo,
yes.
hindi.
Yes.
Ma'am, mapag-usapan ko rin itong Huwarang Pamilya na nabanggit nyo. Ano po, what is this basically about?
This is regarding the poor piece of the SWD. So more on indigents. So the DSW is helping other families yung under the poor piece, and may nare-receive sila monthly.
Yes. Ma'am, sa ganitong panahon na ngayon, since modern times na nga, Diane, sabi mo kanina, yung mga bata, puro computer na lang ngayon natupag, technology. Ano po yung nakikita natin common problems na sa pagsasama ng isang pamilya?
The common problems, usually, no communication at all, and then, syempre, mawawalan tayo ng values.
Kanya-kanyang
Oo,
schedule na
kanya-kanyang
rin kasi. So,
schedule, yes.
importante talaga na makapag-usap, may communication.
Yes. Best.
Miss Lizelle, ano pong i-share niyo sa amin bilang isa po kayo sa miyembro po nitong programang ito? Ano po yung mismong ginagawa po ninyo sa family niyo? Paano po kayo nagsispend ng time
Oo.
with them?
I'm a solo parent.
Okay.
Under ako ng Natay Confederation and in focusing on solo parents. No, we have the same advocacy. So being a solo parent mahirap kasi you have to work hard for your family. And minsan wala na talaga akong time kasi I'm also into advertising. So minsan nakukonsensya ko, but I find time na magkaroon kahit once a week na magkaroon ng time sa kanila. Kasi minsan my children are complaining na you are always having a meeting outside.
Yes.
Oo. Eh, hindi mo naman masabi yung time kasi minsan yung meeting sa gabi.
Yes.
So,
Hindi mo kontrolado kung
Yes,
mag-schedule.
yes.
Ito po ma'am, siguro maganda na lang po makapagbigay tayo ng mensahe po sa ating mga manonood. Baka gusto niyo pa po silang anyayahan na dumalo sa inyong mga events this week for
Yes.
National Filipino Week.
we are inviting everyone to be at Taguig Gymnasium, and this will be the awarding of the Pantawid Pamilya, Huwarang Pantawid Pamilya.
Ayan.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, Miss Lizelle po. Mula po yan sa National Committee of Filipino Family Week. Thank you so much for joining us this
thank
morning.
you.
At marami kaming natutunan at kung gaano kahalaga ang pagsasama ng pamilya, lalo na sa hapagkainan.
Yes.